Little Tikes RC Bumper Cars. We want to thank MGA Entertainment for sending us these Little Tikes bumper cars to check out. Bump, crash, launch, 2 players. Let's check out the back of the box, Bugs.
My back.
360 spinning action.
Yeah.
Obviously, we're gonna be bumping, kid. I'm gonna be bumping you right off your car.
I can't read upside down.
And launch. So let's open up
I'm crazy.
this box and see what's inside, Bugs.
Yay!
Here's the bumper car. Comes with a driver. Driver goes in there. And Bugs. So the way the driver pops out is you gotta hit one of the 4 tires like this. And then you are
my driver out.
eliminated. So here's the remote. If you do 2 up, it will go forward. Bugs, you might want to pay attention. 2 up goes forward.
I know what this
2
does.
down goes backwards. And then you can do some spinnies. Forward, side. And that is the way you would control that car. And Bugs, you know what time it is? It's time to go bumper car bumping.
But mine's off.
Exactly. Ready, Bugs?
Yeah.
Set. Play.
Holy popped off.
Uh-oh. Recharge. Round 2. Ready, set, play. Crazy Daddy! Hey, man! Ready, set. Crazy Daddy, 1, 0. We got 1 time. Ready, set, go! You're a terrible driver, kid. Oh, that bug's got me. Hold me, I can't drive with my head in the wheel. All right, recharge. 1-1. We got 1 tie, and here's the tiebreaker. You call this one, Bugs.
I said go.
Ready, go. Wait a minute, I wasn't ready.
What?
Shh. Oh my God,
I hear you.
get him in the wheels, get him in the wheels. Ready,
Yeah.
set,
Go.
you know who got it?
Bugs.
No! Alright, overtime. Ready? If I get you, I get 2 points.
Wait, that's mine.
Oh yeah. If you guys like these bumper cars, please give us a thumbs up. These are really awesome. We're gonna have lots of fun. Please leave us a comment below. Let us know if you're team red or team blue. I think the bug is cheating. You are! You've been practicing behind my back. You must be. Don't forget to subscribe. More fun with the bugs. We got some awesome new videos coming up. We got some awesome toy reviews. What do you say, Bugs? Bye!
That was 1 minute.
Bumper cars! We have a secret bonus round. Behind the scenes, we have Crazy Mama driving the blue car. versus the Bugs driving the red car for a bonus scene. Ready? Ready? Go. Crazy Mama thinks she can take on the Bugs. Who's the champ? We got the red car spinning out. We got the blue car spinning out. We got the cars going nowhere near each other. We got Crazy Mama hitting the Bugs. The Bugs trying to use some, I don't even know what kind of technique. Totally missing each other. Bugs spinning. Oh, that was a close call. We got Crazy Mama and the Bugs doing some dancing. Some car dancing. Some more dancing. Is anyone gonna bump? Oh, back, forward, spinny winnies. Crazy Mama is not driving too well. The Bugs, that was another close call. We got Crazy Mama doing back and forth. Oh! Crazy Mama won the bonus round.
One more.
We are out of here. Rematch to come. Rematch to come later. Crazy Mama behind the scenes cracking up. She beat the champ. She beat the champ.
No.
Bugs,
I beat her way more times.
it's bedtime. Nighty night.
One more.